pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Victoria scones. For this you need 8 ounces of self-rising flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 ounces of Trex, Crisco, Lard, butter or margarine, 2 ounces of sugar, 8 Glacé cherries, 1 egg, and 100 milliliters of milk. Mix the flour and salt in a basin. Rub in the Trex. Trex rubbed in. Mix in the sugar. Beat the egg and milk. Stir the beaten egg and milk into the flour with a palette knife. Until you get a soft dough. That looks very soft. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface. Divide into 4. Make into rounds. And roll out to about ½ inch thickness. Place on a greased baking sheet. Make deep right-angled cuts with a knife almost into quarters. Remember to flour everything. brush the tops with a little beaten egg or milk. Place half a glacé cherry on top of each one. Bake for 15 minutes at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Light and fluffy on the inside. Tastes very fresh. Taste, I'll give 18 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale. I also made some Victoria scones with butter and caster sugar instead of granulated sugar. I made them a bit thicker too. What are they like? Are they better than the ones with Trex or not so good? We shall see. The ones made with Trex are much lighter and fluffier and they taste better. So I recommend using vegetable shortening instead of butter.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home just waiting for a train.